I'm Ash from able12.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use PHP to allow the user to change the background color of your website. The background color is just going to be a solid color, and just for this tutorial. So first of all, I've just created a simple page here with choose background color, red, blue, green and white squares for the user to click, and I've just created another page just to show you what it would look like on another page, because we're going to be using sessions to keep this the color over to a different page, so it doesn't reset the color when the user transfers over to a different page. So first of all, in Dreamweaver, I've basically just got this the images here with the link as $color equals and the name of the color. Now I'm going to show you a problem with this and then a solution of how to fix this later on. So first of all, inside the body tag, so where you've got body, if you just come down a little bit like this, just like that, and if we enter some PHP tags in here like that, we can now create so I'm just going to put in here if is set $_get color. Okay, so if the user has selected a color, I've clicked on the little squares of the color, we're going to say color is equal to $_get color. So we're going to get the color what the user's clicked, and I'm just going to leave that like that for now, just to show you what this will look like. And then basically we're just going to come down here and echo out bg color is equal to color. Oh, there we go. Now what this will do is, if I just save this out, refresh, as you can see we get this undefined variable. Don't worry about that too much yet. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that later on once we add the sessions in. So if I click on red, as you can see the background changes to red and blue, green and then back to white. Now if I select the green color and then choose to go to another page, as you can see this page has now lost the color, and the user has to now click on the color again. The same with home page. We want to navigate back to home page. So what we want to do is create a session to store the color while the user is browsing the website, so they don't have to click on the color after each page. So what we can do here is just underneath. Well, first of all, we need to set the session. So start sessions going. So session_start at the top, and then under here inside the if statement, we're going to now create a session called color, and that is equal to color. Okay, so we're going to set a session called color, and the color session value is going to be the color what the user selected. So it'll be red, green, blue, etc. Then above the echo, we're just going to put in color_session is equal to session color, and then we're just going to change this to color_session. Okay, now this will create a session that will keep the color going throughout the pages. So if I click on green and then if I come off the home page and go back to home page, as you see green is still there. So what we can do is, because one second, if I just destroy the session, you don't need to type this, just to get this back here. So we've got the error message. What you can do to get rid of this is, on here before the color_session, if you put an at symbol, basically this at symbol means ignore any errors on this line. Okay, so now once we've ignored all the errors that appear on that line, we refresh and that is gone. Now what we can do is just copy this into page, just like that, and then as the user picks a colour, so green for example, and then they go to another page, I can see that the colour has stayed in green, and they can now navigate through the whole site without a change in the background colour. So now I'm going to show you a flaw with this, and it's a bit of a problem. So for example, if we just come up here and now put in question mark colour is equal to let's say black, I can see that the user can now change the colour of the background just by typing in the colour in the URL, which we don't want to do this. We want only the user to change the colour to what we have provided. So what we can do is in this if statement, so round about here I'd say, to bring them out, close that off, break. So if colour is equal to lime, which is called, or let me just do this. So we had 4 colours if you remember. So we had red, blue, green and white, sorry. So it's red, blue, green and white. Yeah, sorry, the green is actually lime, what I've got, not the green colour. So now what we can say is, if I just end this session off here now, session underscore destroy, just to clear that session out, and go back to index. Oh, I've done it on the page one. Okay, so we get a load of errors now. Where have we got them on that page? Ah yes, it's right. We've just done it on the page instead. So in this if, before the if statement again, if you put the at, try that. Okay, yeah, so before each of these, if you put the at sign for each of the colours in the if statement, we get rid of that, and now if the user types in colour equals a black, I can see that the if statement has not run, the session has not run, and the background colour hasn't changed. But if we type in red, oops, okay, so it's not running. That's why. I have spelled colour wrong. Okay, so now let's try it. So if the user types in colour black, the if statement does not run. But if you type in red, then it runs, and they can only provide a colour that, they can only select a colour that we've provided. So that's how to change the so basically if you just copy this body tag into index.php just to keep it going through the pages, and that's how to allow users to change the background colour using PHP. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.